This time we're going to look at how to delete and restore a file in SharePoint. Just like Windows and Mac OS, SharePoint has a recycle bin, and when files and folders are deleted, they're added to the bin. While they're in the bin, they can be restored to their original location. And if they're not restored, they're retained for 93 days and then removed forever. Okay, first let's look at how to delete a file. Select a file by clicking on it and avoid clicking on the title, otherwise it's going to open up. Then choose delete from the toolbar and then delete again to confirm. You'll see a confirmation message in the top right corner. You can do the same thing by right-clicking the file and choosing delete from the menu. And if you want to delete more than one file, you can select them by clicking the checkboxes to the left of their name and then choosing delete from the toolbar. You can also select multiple files to delete with a click and drag of your mouse. Now let's look at restoring. You can restore files and folders from the recycle bin, and the link to the recycle bin is usually found in the left-hand navigation. Clicking on the link will take you to a list of files that have been deleted and are available to restore. You can also get to the recycle bin from the Site Contents page. Go to the Site Settings wheel in the top right corner, choose Site Contents, and then on that page you'll see a link to the recycle bin. On each item in the bin, you can see that there's a type and a name of the file. You can see who deleted it and when, and its original location. To restore a file, select it and choose the Restore button, or right-click it and then choose Restore. You can restore more than one file at a time by checking the circles to the left of their name and then choosing Restore from the toolbar. Here's a couple of tips that might help with restoring. If you restore a file that was in a folder that has separately been deleted, that folder will be recreated to contain the restored file. For example, this Word file, Project Report, was in a folder called Reports. You can see the Reports folder has also been deleted. Now, if I restore that Word file, Project Report, SharePoint will create the Reports folder for me and put the file in it, but it only restores that one file, not any other files that were in that Reports folder. Next tip, if you're restoring a file with the same name as one in the location that you're restoring it to, it will just add a number to the file name and then restore it. So for example, this Intranet Building Workshop slide deck already exists in this folder. So if I try to restore it, it will create a file with the same name and just add a number to the end of the title. Last tip, the recycle bin actually has two stages. Everyone sees the first stage of the recycle bin, that's the one I've shown you already. And only the site collection administrators see the second stage. If you are a site collection administrator, you can delete items from the first stage and move them into the second stage. You can view the second stage bin from this link at the bottom of the first stage bin.